hey guys, this is Dhin and welcome to another episode of Gem from What Food Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an all-time favorite snack that is gluten-free, guilt-free, grain-free, yeah, hassle-free, free for everyone. I'm calling this recipe a serious turmeric cheese almond flour crackers. So for this recipe, we're not using food processor or a microwave to come up with my own method how to make this almond crackers delicious and crispy. So let me show you how. Double boiler, so we have water here. That's for the cheese. Almond flour too. Super fine. Actually use the blender to make it super fine.
What is that?
The almond flour.
Bonk, bonk, bonk.
What's this?
This is the curcuma. Oh, you mean this? This is curcuma. Or turmeric, I think it's. So cheese. Cheese. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna combine this. Splash of salt. Pinch. Okay, we'll put this down. Just put this in low heat. You don't want to toast it, you're just warm. Buddy? Yeah. Mix this. Make sure you use non-stick. So we don't have a microwave, so that's why I'm doing this. Just keep mixing. Getting there. Yeah, smoother. Almost like a paste. I'm just gonna turn this off and mix it. It should be really smooth. You can turn it away. And we can put this parchment paper. Just form it like a crackers to be square. Form it like a square. Okay. Up and start. There. Depends on how much thin you want it. Okay.
Are you talking to the cameraman?
Yeah.
Wait.
You roll it with your palm, or you can use it. I think when it was thick, it was a lot easier to roll it with your palm. Is it size? It's a little big. And then what I like to do is just holes. I don't know. Is it poking it? I'll do the tip of the chopstick. Put holes. Make it look cheesy. You're so cheesy, Dan. Yeah, this is better. It's like a game. I'm gonna put a game like ding 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 ding. Just keep an eye. It's on 350. Keep an eye. 5 minutes, and then we'll. I can see your legs. Carlton? Where's Carlton? Found you. Turn it on. Turn it. Oh yeah. You wait 3 minutes. Doing it. 3 minutes. And then this is fun. Oh yeah, it's fun. Let's cool it down. You like some kind of green. You're fine. It's getting better. Let's see how far we can go. Whoa. It's okay. Final touch. Voila. The Cheez-Its tower. That's actually pretty good. Ta-da! Well, how are you gonna? We have a tower here. Here, cheers.
C'est bon.
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
See you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one. Addicting. It's really addicting.
Ew.
So I found somebody. Where did it go? That's all that's left.